What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. Yes guys, I did see the request. I just had to make the time, and the time is now. So guess what, we're standing here at Whim Estates, and currently we're in block B. Block A is not fully handed over just yet, but the work continues. As you can see behind me, a lot of structures are up. Roof is going on these structures, and this is block B. I have a bit of sad news for you, in the sense that the wait list for Whim Estate is completely full. The amount of persons that are waiting are more than the amount of units that are going to be available for the entire development, which is phase 1 of Whim Estate. All right, but nevertheless, you guys can see what it is that you can get with this development. We will continue to cover what's happening on the ground with the units, so that you can be aware of when units are being handed over. And remember, block C is to come. So on that point, for the persons who are on the wait list for block C, I'm imploring you to have all your documents ready. We are now in May 2024, and pretty much the application will be open pretty soon, so you can look out for it, whether June or July, but sometime this summer application will be open for those who want a unit in block C. If you don't have a documents ready to upload, you will not be considered for the sale, so you will miss out. So go get yourself pre-qualified. Make sure you have an ID and your NIS ready. Make sure you have all the relevant documents ready. I'll put back the documents that you need in this video, because if you don't have them when application opens, then you're going to miss out on an opportunity to have one of these units. And you know, just before I give you guys the drone shot, there's something that really stands out to me in this development, and I'm going to show you guys again. But guys, remember, if you're new to the channel and if you don't find a property yet, if you want a second or a third property, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your families and your friends. Let this video go as far as you can make it reach. And guess what? Leave your comment down below so that I can know what you guys are looking for. All right, and as you can see, like I tell you, the work never stopping up. But watch this, there's something that I definitely want to show you guys, because I want you to tell me where else in Jamaica currently doing a development you will get this amount of space for your backyard. Hold on, let me show you just a minute. So this is the backyard space that will be shared between the unit on the left and the units on the right. So this cut in half, guys, you can still put another house behind your house and still have space in your backyard, right? So this is something that you will definitely love with Whim Estate. And you know, you still have your space at the front of your property. But guys, the project is going on pretty well. I'm impressed. I hope you are too. And guess what, a lot of mud is on my shoes, but I have to give you guys this video. So right now I'm just going to jump into a drone shot, and then I'll catch you back on the other side. All right. Yes guys, I had to draw for the hat because the sun is hot, but hope you enjoy that drone shot. Like I've said to you before, ensure that when applications are open, you have all documents on hand and you are ready to go. I'm sure you love the space that you're seeing. I hope you appreciate the progress that is also being made. And when I am back, I'll definitely give you guys a tour of the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom model unit. It is pretty much completed. Just needs a bit of cleaning up and presentable for you guys to see. So guys, Block C will be coming out pretty soon. Don't miss out on that update. Remember to visit the website. The link is down below in the description for you to keep yourself up to date with what is happening. Remember also to share out these videos because we want to get the news right across. All right, and guys, remember to subscribe if you're new. Don't miss out on the updates, and we'll give you them as they come. So persons in Block A is almost fully handed over, almost there. So if you're in Block A, no need to worry, your unit will be handed to you very soon. All right, so people for Block B, you will see the progress that is being made and your time is coming. And if you want to be a part of Block C, just make sure so you're ready. So guys, it's peace out from ChriSamz. Thank you so much for making it this channel for your property tours and update, and we promise to always give you the best and honest review and information that we have. We can't tell you what we don't know. All right, so stay tuned guys, and we'll catch you in another video. So it's peace out.